Welcome to watch the video. Here we will show you how to operate your device. First, let's take a look at what's in the box. Quickly start guide. User manual. Devices. Cleaning brush. Ear tips. Charging cable. Here we will show you how to operate your device. When you use the device for the first time, you need to activate the device. First, you need to take the device out of the charging case, remove the stickers, and then put it back into the charging case. Then, plug the charging cable into the charging port of the charging case. When the 3 LEDs light up orange, it means that the device has been successfully activated. To keep the power sufficient, you can charge the device for a period of time after activation. Here we will show you how to operate your device. Let's install the ear tips. Choose the ear tips that fit your ear canal. Push the ear tip rim membrane outward. Align the opening of the new ear tips at the sound outlet of the device. Here we will show you how to operate your device. The blue represents the left device, and the red represents the right device. Now, let's look at how to wear the device. First, place the device in the ear. Then, gently insert the 8 into the ear canal, making sure the ear tips fits comfortably in the ear canal without pain or discomfort. Here we will show you how to operate your device. Let's learn how to turn the device on and off. First, it has an automatic power on function. Just take the device out of the charging case and wait for 12 seconds until you hear the amplified sound. This means that the device has been automatically turned on. If you finish using the device and put it back into the charging case, the device will automatically turn off and charging. Here we will show you how to operate your device. Next, let's see how to adjust the volume. The device has a on button. Each short press of the button can adjust the volume. The volume is adjusted in a cycle. You will hear a single do every time you adjust the volume. Once you reach the highest volume, you will hear single D. Here we will show you how to operate your device. Let's see how to adjust the volume. The device has one button. Each short press of the button can adjust the volume. The volume is adjusted in a cycle. You will hear a single every time you adjust the volume. Once you reach the highest volume, you will hear single. Here we will show you how to operate your device. The device can switch between different programs. There are the normal program and restaurant program. To switch program, just press the button twice quickly to complete the program switch. Each time the program is switched, and you will hear different prompt sounds to indicate the current program. Beep represents normal program. To beep beep represents restaurant program. Here we will show you how to operate your device. When the device is low power, it will emit single beep every 10 seconds. You need to charge it. Place the device correctly into the charging slot of the charging case. When the device starts charging, the indicator light will turn orange. When fully charged, the indicator light will turn green. When the charging case is low power, you need to charge the charging case. Plug the end of the USB charging cable into the power adapter and plug the B end into the charging port of the charging case. The middle orange light is solid. It means the charging case is charging. If the middle green light is solid, it means the charging case is fully charged. Here we will show you how to operate your device. To maintain optimal performance of your devices, regular cleaning is important. Please use the cleaning tool provided. First, use the cleaning brush to gently brush away dust and gear wax from the ear tips, around the button, and charging port. Thanks for watching.